Big Beat Dallas. If you haven't heard about it, it's the new concept next to the Toyota Music Factory in Las Colinas that's mixing live music, food, and fun. And one of the 5 eateries that's bringing a taste of the forbidden is Bar Manzanilla.
It's a destination, so people are going to come here to enjoy themselves with great music, craft cocktails, great food.
So kick your experience off with a margarita and work your way down the menu, starting with the queso and then ahi tuna tostada. Next up, the tacos. And the elote is a winner.
The elote is, you can be a vegetarian, not a vegan, but a vegetarian option. All the flavor from the corn, combine it with the queso and combine it with tender squash, and got a little bit of spiciness from the peppers.
Chew on this. Bar Manzanilla is serving up something sweet and unique for dessert, the avocado creme brulee.
I was a little bit skeptical about it, but I'll tell you what, when I tried it, I was like, wow, this is something else. That's gonna, open your mind.
And aside from all the food and music, Big Beat Dallas is dipping their toe in the charity pool. $5 raffle tickets are sold every Tuesday for the charity of choice. And for the month of April, proceeds will go to Kids Kids.
We are about bringing back to the community what the community deserves.
Giving back while getting full sounds like a win-win in our book.